2019 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, fog lights, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.